Which chart could represent the function f of x is equal negative 3x plus 5? Before you look to these 4 charts, first you have to check our function. We have f of x is equal negative 3x plus 5. This is linear function. Coefficient before x is negative. The slope is negative, so we can write that m is equal negative 3 slope. So our function is going down. We have from our formula of our function. What else? We have negative 3x plus 5. So the y-intercept is 0.05. So this is our first information. The second is the y-intercept is first coordinate is 0 always, and the second, what we add to expression with x is constant number 5, positive 5. So this is point on our y-axis. Y-intercept is 0, 5. So now we are going to these charts, and what we see, we have in the first rows the same values, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. What else? In the second, the value for this axis, what we have, 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. For the first chart, we see that the values going up. We have 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. So this chart cannot be chart for our function, because our function has coefficient before x negative. It means going down, the values going down. So this is not our solution. Next, the rest of functions, we have values negative 11, 8, 5, 2, negative 1. So this function going down. The third, 11, 8, 5, negative 2, negative 4, so it's also going out, down. And the fourth chart, we have negative 11, negative 8, negative 5, negative 2, and 1. So the values going up. So the fourth chart also cannot be our solution, because the values going up, like in the first chart. So for sure this is not first and the fourth chart. So now we have to check second and third only. What else? We have that y-intercept is 0 for x equals 0. This is our first coordinates. Y is 5. For 0 is 5, for 0 is 5. So we have to check different point to check if this is 2 or third chart. For example, we will choose, because we have 11 and 11, 8 and 5, 2, and we have negative 2. So because these two values are different for x equals 1, we will check the value of for x equals 1 for our function f of x. So we have to write for x equals 1, we have that f of 1 will be, we have to go to our formula and replace x by 1. So we have negative 3, we copy, times 1 plus 5. So this is equal, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 5. So this is equal, negative 3 plus 5 is 2. And we see that in the second chart for 1 we have value 2. In third we have for 1 negative 2. So this is not our function. So the solution will be the second chart.